What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your Redmi Note 13 5G. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now here scroll down and tap on factory reset, and then again tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will erase all your data and it will reset your phone back to factory default. So it will delete contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups, SD card, and everything will be deleted. So tap on this option and then your phone will be resetted back to factory default. So that's how you can reset the Redmi Note 13 5G. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.